Joel's going to show you fuckers how to guarantee that you succeed in affiliate marketing.
Sure, Crystal. Check this out. So I know a lot of you have tried affiliate marketing before, or you're thinking about trying it, and you want to know, how do I guarantee success with affiliate marketing? This is the perfect video for you because I'm going to break it down. And who the hell am I first? My name is Joel Vasquez, aka the infamous Joel. I've made 7 figures online through affiliate marketing, and I've coached several people to 6 and 7 figures themselves. So I kind of know what I'm talking about. Let me break it down for you in this video. Let me first pull out my handy dandy paintbrush here, and let's talk about how success works in the real world, okay? Because I'm going to be honest, most of what you see on the internet with these big gurus and the flashy cars and all that stuff, it's just a highlight reel. I'm not saying that all of them are lying. Some of them are, but most of them are not, okay? But they also are picking and choosing what they want to show you. I promise you, because I've been there, done that, and I've been really nervous on camera, like, oh, what if people see my real life? What if people see me stutter and make mistakes and all that stuff, or mess up, or any of that stuff? I was even tempted to delete some of my old videos here on this YouTube channel because some of them are pretty embarrassing. They're old. I cursed a lot. I didn't know what the hell I was doing, but I left them on specifically for you guys. If you go and scroll through my old stuff on this channel, you'll see how bad my videos used to be, okay? And they're not super special now either, but you can see how far I've come in my confidence and everything else, just to show you guys that, yes, everybody starts off like that. Now let's get back to the success formula. Now, let's be honest, the key to success with anything in life, not just affiliate marketing, is that when you start your journey here, okay, let's say that this is the start, you might have bought a course, you might have done something, you might have even just watched a few YouTube videos. You are going to hit these little road bumps along the way. Maybe you don't have a lot of time. If you're looking, you're working with like a guru, your coach or whatever, there's like all these parts where you may not understand what's going on, right? There's like roadblock A, we're just going to call these RBs. There's like B, C, and it just keeps going on and on. So eventually it is normal and it is human to hit these constant roadblocks. Maybe your funnel broke down, or you don't know what kind of content to create, or you did start making content and you got no eyeballs, you got nobody interested, you got some clicks. Let's say you do my favorite, which is paid ads. You got some clicks, but you got no sales. You started wasting money. You started panicking. All kinds of crazy stuff happen, right? And eventually, all these little frustrations start building up and start mounting up. And it's normal and it's natural to just be completely human and say, I hate this. I want to go back to the way it used to be, right? You go all the way back here to where before you started, where yes, you didn't have the success and the freedom and all the things that you were looking for when you first started. You didn't have those things, but at least life was not so complicated and not so frustrating back then, right? So it's just normal and natural for us to go back and escape to our comfort zone. And that's why I'll probably say 95% of affiliate marketers, the people that start and never finish, that's why they fail. It's not because it doesn't work. It's because they eventually quit and they start all over again. And also, I want to point out that this phenomenon happens even if you don't completely quit, even if you just buy another course. I've had a lot of clients in my program over the years and people that I've coached, and I tell them right away, if you have another coach, if you have another mentor, fire them right now. And I promise you, I'm not just saying that because I'm an egomaniac, even though I am a little bit, right? I'm saying that because I know that if you have 2 teachers, you really have none. My way is going to be completely different than the other mentor, coach, course, whatever way you've learned before. So that's why a lot of times I actually like working with people who've never done affiliate marketing before, because their brains are not stuck with all this juju boo-boo that they learned from the past, and they try to shove it into my strategies. My strategies are very, very specific to me, what works for me, having like a 1 hour a week kind of week, not something that takes like a million years. And I use a lot of leverage, a lot of like little work and high results. I like stuff like that. I don't like grind it out. I don't like weird stuff that a lot of gurus teach. So let me show you why my way works and why I think that my way helps a lot of these people. I know that my way helps a lot of these people that have done the start, stop over years and years of trying to make some progress, hitting those walls and then starting over again. And I promise you, one of the biggest killers is that even if you don't quit, a lot of times, like I said, you'll see an ad on Facebook or something, you buy another course, you think that there's some new secret and you jump on that, right? So that creates that phenomenon of like, you're always in a constant state of starting. So like in real life, going back to our examples here, let's say you run into a few more of these roadblocks. But eventually you start to grow and you start to scale up right here. So let's circle these in blue. This is when things start to happen. Maybe here you make your first dollar, and here we'll circle a little bit more and you'll make your first $100, right? This has happened with every client that I've ever had ever, right? If they can break through that ceiling of, yes, some of this stuff is a little frustrating, understand that you're learning a brand new skill, right? It's not like you're going to the karate class and you know, on day one, you're already a black belt. People are just so used to being great at everything that they do, especially if you had like a long career, you're like older, you've done a lot of great things in your life. That's awesome. But know that when you're stepping into affiliate marketing, you are learning brand new skills. So you have to stick with it long enough to where instead of quitting or buying a new course or finding a new mentor or any of this other stupid stuff that people do, which basically just means you're starting all over again, you break through that frustration, you break through that gap, and you keep on going with the exact thing that you're doing. This is not just like a business fact or affiliate marketing fact. This is how the universe works, okay? It's called a compounding effect. The more you do the same thing over time, the more rewards and benefits you get from that activity. That's how exercise works. That's how eating a lot of junk food works. No matter what you do, you're going to get more and more of the rewards of that activity over time, right? So that's exactly how everything works. Why would business be any different? And so I built this system with one thing in mind. You're super busy. You probably have more money than you have time. And so we start with paid ads, okay? I love paid ads. Paid ads is the fastest way to start seeing results instead of like posting on Instagram, TikTok, doing all the weird email campaigns or whatever the hell else all these other gurus teach. And no, I don't mean solo ads. Solo ads are largely a scam. You want to pay Facebook, some kind of like legit platform where there's real people, not like spamming people's inboxes and doing weird stuff, okay? That's weird stuff. We don't do weird stuff on this channel. I don't like weird stuff. I like real people with real money who are ready to pay real money for real things, okay? So here's the biggest bottleneck. When we start with paid ads, a lot of times the big gurus who do teach paid ads, let's say you followed a guru or you bought a course that taught you, hey, run like ClickBank campaigns and Facebook, all this stuff, to what's called a bridge page, okay? And this is going to be another bottleneck for you, because all the bridge page really does, in all my experience, is it kills like 60 to 80% of your traffic. It kills like 60 to 80% of your chances to make a sale, okay? Even if you've never done this stuff before, let me break this down. If you spent money on ads, which at this point you have, people have clicked your ad. This is where I get a lot of people on calls saying like, oh, I spent all this money, I got clicks, and like this guru lied to me. It's not that they lied to you, it's that they taught you something that only worked in like 2015, 16, okay? Ad costs are through the roof now, especially in the last few years. So you need something smarter, a better strategy, okay? This bridge page is gonna kill like 60 to 80% of people because they come here and then they leave. Okay, they leave. So you basically paid for someone to click your ad, and 60 to 80% of the dollar that you spent, right, 60 to 80 cents of it goes right back to Facebook, and you never see it again. So that's already a losing game. And then they tell you, okay, then pick like a ClickBank product over here. Let's just say ClickBank is a really popular one. I absolutely hate ClickBank, and I had another video on this channel about why I hate ClickBank. But let's just say this is like a common one that a lot of affiliate marketers do. They pick some ClickBank product, right? And this ClickBank product pays them like $100 or something less than that, some kind of commission, or it costs $100. And this has already by itself like a low conversion rate, maybe 3% max. So out of every 100 people that even get to this page, only 3 of them will ever buy anything. The math just does not math anymore. It doesn't work out, okay? So this bridge page is actually killing you. And this is what's causing a lot of frustration with this system alone. There's a lot of systems out there on how to do affiliate marketing, how to do it right, and all that good stuff. Some of them work, some of them don't. But really, you have to think about who you are and what system works best for you. So I'm specifically talking to the people who are super busy. They have a nice career, a family, all that good stuff going on. This is by far the simplest system. We just replace this bridge page with a tiny offer page. Tiny offer. Okay, I talked about this in a few other videos, but this has been the secret of my success, the secret of all my big results. So instead of 60 to 80% being killed right here, we're trying to get 100% of people in here that actually buy. Okay, not everyone's gonna buy. That's not what I mean. What I mean is that the only people that go to this next page are buyers. So what do we do with these buyers? We usually charge like $27, a little bit more, a little bit less sometimes. It goes back to your ads right away. That way, you're not waiting months, weeks, years for sales, okay? You actually get sales within the first 48 hours. That's how, if you go down below and you click on the link and you look at my case studies and my previous client interviews and all the people that have done super well with me, they join and they, get mentored by me, and my team sets up this entire thing. We build the offer for them. We build the page for them. We build this system for them. And they report like in the first week, they make a few $1,000s or whatever. I'm not saying that's typical. Nobody can say that. That's like, FTC guidelines and all that stuff. But I am saying that that's why they're able to claim those things. Sometimes people are like, oh my God, that sounds like a ridiculous result. Like, how are they able to get it? It's simple math, okay? If you're able to spend some money on ads and you're able to recoup that investment as fast as possible, then everything on this side, let's just keep the ClickBank example, even though I don't like ClickBank, everything on this side is just free profit. If they buy this or if they don't, it doesn't make you a difference. I mean, you want them to buy it. That's where your profit's going to come from. But we basically spent nothing, right? We broke even. We spent zero on paid ads. That's why this bridge page thing and the old ways of doing things, God damn it, solo ads, all that stuff, spending money out and almost never seeing it come back in is a terrible, terrible idea. The tiny offer is the new way. It's the easiest way to get your ad spend back on the same day so that you can keep reinvesting. And this way you can grow a lot faster. I hate to say it, I do organic content. I do free content like YouTube videos, Instagram stuff. I do it, but I know, somebody that's super busy, they can't commit themselves to that, okay? I do this because I do this like 4 or 5 hours a day. This is basically my job at this point. I like doing content. I like doing affiliate marketing, teaching you guys and stuff. But for the average human being who's got all this other stuff going on, don't follow that stuff. It just does not work for you, okay? I'm not saying for anyone, because you're probably in a course right now where you're seeing all these results. For you, it doesn't work. You need something that's more leverage. You need something that if I spend $1, I know how many clicks I'm going to get. I know how many customers I'm going to get. I know exactly what's going to happen, okay? This is more predictable. It's more sustainable. And this is how you guarantee success with affiliate marketing. The combination of the right system and the understanding and the belief that, yeah, there's going to be some frustrating points. Stick with it. Stick through it. And with this system, you get to go through all that faster, okay? We're talking like hours, not weeks and weeks and weeks until you see a result. So immediately, yeah, you break through, you see a little bit of frustration. My team and I coach you and walk you through it. It's super, super simple. If you're interested in joining the inner circle, where we build this system for you, and then we consult you and teach you exactly how to grow it and scale it, join down below. Get on a call, talk to us. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.